Hey there guys, Top Speed Reviews, and today I am showing you how to use your Nissan key fob. This video is specifically made for someone. I will not say her name just in case she doesn't want to be revealed. But on this 2017 Nissan Murano SL, you have the option to press the key or simply walk up to the door handle, press this. I just unlocked this, so that locks it. 2 beeps mean lock. So 2 beeps mean lock. That I just unlocked this door. I just unlocked all doors. I just locked it again. Now, if you press this button, open up the door and close it and press it again, it will lock. Or if I press this button and wait too long to press it to unlock all the doors, it will just relock this door. Same thing works for the trunk as well. You got 2 buttons underneath here. You got a flat button and a round button. The round button acts as that button on the side, and it works the same way as this button here, and the flat button just opens it up. So you no longer have to use your key. You can just simply keep the key in your pocket, put your foot on the brake, and hit the center console-ish mounted button to go. That's all you have to do. See that? Like, it's really that hard. And I'm out. Peace.